So another tool that's very handy when working with effects is adjustment layer. Let's say, for instance, that I just did a little edit where I have my ocean, I've got my seal, and I've got my pelican and ocean again, and I'm showing it to a client. They say, well, that looks great, but can you make it all black and white? And you go, yeah, okay. So instead of bringing in the black and white filter effect and putting it in one of them and then copying and pasting it to the other, I could do that all together in one step. Back in the project panel, you have the second little icon to the right and it's new item. I click on that and I access my adjustment layer. Okay, and that shows me the size and the frame rate of the project I'm working with. So I say, okay. So now I'm going to grab that adjustment layer and put it over all the clips that I've just been working with. So this is kind of like an empty container, and I could fill it with effects to change what's underneath it. So I'm going to go over to my effects, and here's my black and white effect under image control in the video effects folder. So I'm going to drag and drop that over here, and I changed not only the first one in black and white, but all of them black and white. Now notice it's anything under it that will change black and white. So for instance, if I wanted the pelican and the ocean and the seal to be black and white, but the last ocean to be color, I might drag that onto the third layer, and now it's color. All the others are black and white, and the fourth one is in color. So that's the way adjustment layer works. For instance, I could put any effect into that layer and it will affect everything under it. So for instance, if I have several items stacked on top of each other and compositing it, you can add an adjustment layer to the top of those stacks as well and affect everything under it, not just one layer.